Hello friends, I am Kejal and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical Kejal. Welcome to tutorial series of Azure. Let's go start. In the previous video, I had shown you how to create a key vault. If you don't know how to create a key vault, then please watch that video. I will share it link in the description of this video. Let's start how we can delete a key vault or other resources. First of all, we will go inside the resource group where we have created the key vault. Here Technical Casual Demo is a resource group. Inside that I have created a key vault. I will go inside that. After that you can see that my TKKV is the key vault. I will select it. Select after doing this I will click on delete here. After clicking on delete a window will open here in which the name of the key vault is visible to us. After that we have to type delete here and then click on delete. The key vault will be deleted as soon as you click delete. I kept the retention period of this key vault at 7 days, so if I want I can recover this key vault back. I will also show you how to recover key vault in upcoming videos. For now I am giving information about how you can delete any resource you have created. If you like this video, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.